This 2022 Grand Design Solitude 378 MBSR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 2 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a gray, tan interior, sleeps 7, awning, water heater, microwave, smoke detector, leveling jacks, oven, Colorado Detector, LP detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Solitude 378 MBSR is 14,344 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.